What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another brand new 2024 NASCAR Diecast unboxing. We're going to get into them one by one, starting right now. So let's see what's first up out of the box. Austin Dillon's number 3 Scenic Tools 2024 Chevrolet Camaro. This is on the Diecast body and chassis, of course. Pretty cool scheme. Austin Dillon, a man of many schemes throughout a season. So pretty cool. Next up, let's see what we got. This is Chase Briscoe, Diecast body and chassis number 14. Mahindra compact tractors for Stewart-Haas Racing. Final season for Stewart-Haas Racing ended at Phoenix. Briscoe moving on, bigger and better things at Joe Gibbs next year. But ended his time at Stewart-Haas with a win and a playoff berth. So not too shabby, not too bad. Next up, we've got Brad Keselowski's Castrol number 6. This is the Darlington throwback. Beautiful, beautiful, of course. Castrol and RFK, for that matter, don't miss very often when it comes to schemes. No exception here. Can't go wrong with that. And now we got one more in the box. Let's get it out. Move the box out of the way. Because this is the Tyler Reddick number 45 Jordan brand Talladega win. The spring Talladega winner in the Jordan brand number 45. Pretty cool. Of course, Michael Jordan himself in attendance for that race. Got a lot of the attention and TV time after the race for the owning of 2311 with Denny Hamlin, of course. Confetti covering this sucker. And with that being said, let me go ahead and get it out and show it off outside of the box. All right, here we are. So this will be a quick little review because it is a gorgeous scheme, just coated with confetti. And of course, the brand new Toyota Camrys just starting to roll in, so this will be a good way to look at that too. But really, I just wanted to get it out to show off all that race-winning confetti. Do it all it deserves, because it is gorgeous with how they do the 164s now, showing off everything, not leaving the windshields just without confetti like they used to. So I'm glad to get it out and show it. And again, scheme itself, gorgeous, even without winning the race, but of course he did in dramatic fashion. So that's pretty cool. And then we'll bring back in Austin Dillon. And Chase Briscoe. And then last is the Darlington throwback for Brad Keselowski. All around, pretty cool to get brand new diecast. The race winners rolling in now. Talladega spring here. But that will wrap it up for this one. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment on which diecast you liked the best from this video. Subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.